Did you know that you could use one house to buy 20 houses? I'm gonna show you how today. What's up, everybody? My name is Julian McClurkin, and if you're new to the channel, here we focus on faith, family, fun, and finance. Today is the finance part, so I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about this strategy. Now, you heard of the BRRRR strategy, right? That's buy, renovate, rent out, refinance, repeat. This new strategy is one I came up with because I didn't see anybody else doing it. Maybe somebody else was doing it, but I feel like I created it. So the strategy is called the BETTER strategy. You're replacing that refi with a HELOC. Now, what is a HELOC? A HELOC is an acronym for Home Equity Line of Credit. All right, HELOC. Basically, what a HELOC is you opening up a credit card using the equity in your home. What's equity? Equity is the amount between what you owe and what your house is actually worth. So imagine you purchased a house for $150,000, right? And in about 4 months, you paid that down to $100,000. So now you have $50,000 worth of equity. I'm not gonna go into the appreciation part of it, but you probably also have some equity from your appreciation. But let's say you've paid down $50,000. You now have $50,000 worth of equity. A bank will give you a credit card basically for the equity position that you now hold, and they will hold second position on your property. So what's the great thing about a credit card? Credit cards are interest only. You can make interest only payments. Now, the reason I like this strategy over the traditional BRRRR strategy, remember that was buy, rehab, rent out, refi. The reason I like to replace that refi with this HELOC is because the refi, you have to pay principal and interest. But with the HELOC, you're only on the hook every single month for your interest. Why is that great? Say you want to use that $50,000 of equity in your property to purchase another property. Now, if you use this cash out refi that you used over here, what you're gonna have to do is pay back principal and interest, and your monthly payment on that $50,000 might be something like this. And now that same $50,000 payment with your HELOC is only gonna be this. Now, why is this payment so much lower than this payment? Well, the reason is simple. Interest rate. It's because you're only on the hook for interest over here, but over here, you're paying interest and principal. Now look, I know you're gonna have to pay it all back no matter what, right? You're gonna have to pay interest and you're gonna have to pay principal. But what this does is gives you more access to your money to do other things down the line. If with this cash out refi, you could only purchase this one house. Maybe with this HELOC, you'll be able to purchase more houses because you're gonna be able to create more wealth with that HELOC down the line. Now, I advise people, and by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not an accountant. You know, if you are looking to pull money out of your home, if you're looking to do the HELOC route, you should use that for things that you need money quick for. But if you want to do the BRRRR strategy, the traditional BRRRR strategy, you want to try to do that with things that you're going to be holding on to maybe more long term and longer plays. Does that make sense? In short, HELOC if you're trying to do something real quick, and BRRRR, traditional BRRRR, if you're trying to do something long term, maybe even bigger plays. But I like the HELOC strategy because it gives you access to your cash right now. And we all know that cash is king. When it comes to making offers on these homes, these cash buyers are coming in and they're buying them before other people who have like financing deals on them can even get in. So applying for your HELOC and getting access to that $50,000 gives you more buying power in today's competitive market. And that's what you really need to be able to kind of break through all of the noise and all of these other offers. You got to have that cash on hand ready to roll. Now, I'm gonna do some more videos about the HELOC strategy and kind of break out some other really cool things that you can do with your HELOC to not only help you purchase properties, but also pay down your properties fast. I'm talking about turning a 30-year loan into a 5-year loan. So if you guys want to learn more about the HELOC strategy, about investing, about real estate, Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a video. All right, that's all I got for you guys today. Until next time, see you on the next one. Peace.